Can you tell the difference between a real snowflake and what I like to call a snowfake? Stick around to find out. Welcome to Science at 6 with Cambridge Science Centre. My name is Millie and I am this week's presenter in the centre. Today we will be looking at snowflakes and even making our own. You can find out where to get our activities in the description below, and you can email us your results and questions to OpenUpScience@cambridgesciencecentre.org and tag us on social media. Okay, so can you tell the difference between a real snowflake and what I like to call a snowfake? Well, let's find out. In front of me, I have a few examples, but can you tell which is the real one and which is the imposter snowflake? Is it number 1? Number 2? Number 3? Number 4? Or number 5? Yes, it's this one. So why is this? Well, you may have heard that all snowflakes are unique. However, they all have one thing in common. They all have 6 points and 3 planes of symmetry. This one actually has 8 points. This is because snowflakes are formed of water molecules, H2O, which are made up of 2 positively charged hydrogen atoms and 1 negatively charged oxygen atom. The positive and negative atoms are attracted to each other, a bit like poles of a magnet. They can then form bonds with each other, known as hydrogen bonding. Water molecules also form bonds with each other, but are constantly breaking as they are full of energy and are moving past each other quite quickly. However, as the liquid cools and the molecules slow down, they come closer together and crystallize into a 6-ring or hexagonal structure. So, to make your own snowflake, you will need a square piece of white paper, some cutting skills, and some scissors. So the first thing to do is to fold your square piece of paper into a triangle in half, and then fold that triangle in half again to make a smaller triangle. Try and make sure that your folds all match up because it makes the snowflake a lot neater later. Then, with the smaller point pointing towards you, you need to fold it into a cone shape, and you need it into 3 equal folds, like that. So it all matches up and goes into a cone shape with 2 points at the top, like that. Flip it over onto the other side so that you've got a nice line across here, and we need to cut those 2 points off using a diagonal scissor cut across like that. There we go. This is the bit we're using. So, this is the bit where you're going to cut into it. We're going to cut little triangles out or little shapes. You can do curvy lines or straight lines if you want. And it's quite nice to have lots of cuts in it to create lots of different holes. And when you go to open it up, be very careful because there are some quite thin bits holding it together, so do it very carefully. And there's my snowflake, beautiful though I say it myself. It has 6 points, 3, 4, 5, 6 points, and it's got 3 planes of symmetry. So if you go from one point to another point opposite, that's 1 plane, 2 planes, 3 planes. So you can find out where to get our activities in the description below, and don't forget to share questions and pictures of your work with us via email or social media. Thanks for watching. Happy Christmas. Bye.